How to unequip weapons or gears in Darkest Days. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Darkest Days and want to remove a weapon or piece of gear from your character, firstly open up the Darkest Days game on your device and then go to your bag option on the left hand corner and tap on it. Now from the bag menu, you will see these several options on the screen. Your equipped weapons or gears will be displayed over here, right next to your character. If you want to unequip weapons or gears, simply tap on one of the weapons or gears and then click on the unequip button, which will overlap right above the selected option. Now you'll be able to unequip the item. The item should be removed from the equipment slot and returned to your bag, as you can see it over here. Repeat this step for any other equipment you want to remove. For example, let me just unequip this cap over here. Tap on unequip right after you find it, and then you'll be able to send the cap or the gear in your bag. So that is how you can successfully remove your unwanted gears. Now you can change your equipment, organize your bag, and prepare your character for the next adventure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.